Good morning. Today we are going to do the Father's Day Pinecone Bird Feeder, and the supplies that you will need will be in bag 6-3, as well as the large pine cone that was at the bottom of your bag, some peanut butter, and a spoon. So as you can see, I have the pine cone that was at the bottom of your bag and the bird seed. It doesn't have to be peanut butter. I am using peanut butter. This is a very cheap peanut butter that I bought specifically for projects like this. We don't eat this one in our family, but you can use any kind of nut butter that you like. You can also use molasses if that is something that you have in your house that you like. But the idea is that I prefer the peanut butter because it is a protein and it doesn't harm the birds. The molasses can sometimes be too much sugar for birds. So you will take your nut butter, and what you're going to do is you're just going to start spooning it all around your pine cone. I would suggest doing this project with the children outdoors, probably on a piece of newspaper would be my suggestion. And so you're going to take the peanut butter and you're going to spread it all the way around your pine cone. And the idea is that this will help the bird seed to stick to your pine cone. And so we'll just keep going. Not sure if I have enough peanut butter left in my jar to do this whole project. We'll see. String is getting a little bit of nut butter on it, and that's okay. So once you have your nut butter spread all the way around, I am going to put some on the top too. One side. Like I said, this is a messy project. The next step will be to add your seed. So the easiest way I have found to add the seed to this project is to put the seed down on the surface that you've designated that you don't mind getting dirty, like the newspaper. And then you'll take the pine cone with the nut butter and you will dip and kind of roll it into the seed. And this will give you your first easy coating of seed. Next, you'll stand it up and you'll see the areas where you are still missing seed. And so you'll take the seed and just sort of hand place it on. And as you can see, again, it's messy. Once you have added the seed to all of your areas where it wasn't before, it is ready to sit and dry. And you'll want to let this dry for a good few hours. Once it is dried, then the seed is less likely to fall off when you move it. This will be a Father's Day gift that you will probably want to gift right away. So if you'd like to wait until closer to Father's Day to make it, you can do that, or you can gift it early. And you might want to just gift it as a surprise in the yard. So you could hang it up and say Happy Father's Day. And there you have it. A lovely bird feeder that has been made from natural materials. I hope you've enjoyed creating your Father's Day bird feeder. Bye-bye.